Dive into the ultimate audio experience with our guide to the best gaming headsets of 2025. Whether you're a casual gamer craving immersive sound, a competitive player needing crystal-clear communication, or an audiophile seeking top-tier quality, the right headset can make or break your gaming sessions. This year, the market is loaded with cutting-edge headsets boasting advanced audio tech, supreme comfort, and seamless connectivity for every platform PC, console, or mobile. After sifting through the latest releases and expert insights, we've rounded up the top gaming headsets that excel in performance, durability, and value. This guide breaks down what makes each headset stand out, ensuring you avoid the wrong pick and level up your gaming experience. Let's explore the best options for 2025. Number 5. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 Wireless. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 Wireless is a standout choice for gamers seeking a balance of affordability, performance, and versatility in 2025. Priced at around $130, this mid-range headset delivers impressive audio quality with its 40mm neodymium drivers, offering crisp highs and punchy bass that enhance gaming immersion, from explosive action sequences to subtle environmental cues. Its simultaneous 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless switching between gaming and music streaming, making it ideal for multitaskers. The companion app is a game-changer, offering a vast library of developer-tuned EQ presets crafted by Esports pros and sound engineers, perfect for tailoring audio to specific games like FPS titles or RPGs. The headset's lightweight, durable frame and flexible design ensure long-term comfort and durability, even during extended sessions or travel. The retractable ClearCast Gen 2 microphone provides clear voice capture with decent noise cancellation, though it's not as broadcast quality as higher-end models. With a battery life of up to 60 hours, it's reliable for long gaming marathons, though it falls short of competitors like the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless. Compatibility spans PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices via USB-C or Bluetooth. While it lacks active noise cancellation and wired connectivity, its robust build and customizable audio make it a fantastic value. Some users note the ear cups can feel snug for larger heads, but the adjustable headband mitigates discomfort. For console gamers prioritizing EQ flexibility and durability, the Arctis Nova 5 Wireless is a compelling pick, though audiophiles may want more premium sound options. Number 4. HyperX Cloud Stinger 2. The HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 is a budget-friendly gem in 2025, offering remarkable performance for around $50, making it the go-to choice for gamers who want quality without breaking the bank. Its 50mm directional drivers deliver clear, balanced audio with surprising depth, ensuring footsteps in competitive shooters or dialogue and story-driven games come through crisply. The lightweight design, weighing just 275 grams, and breathable leatherette ear cups make it comfortable for hours, though some users report mild discomfort after 4 or 5 hours. The headset's wired connection via a 3.5mm jack ensures universal compatibility with PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices, with no latency issues. Its onboard microphone is a standout, offering excellent clarity for voice chat, rivaling pricier models, though it lacks advanced noise cancellation. The swiveling ear cups and adjustable headband accommodate various head sizes, but the plastic build feels less premium than competitors. While it doesn't support wireless or Bluetooth, its plug-and-play simplicity is perfect for casual gamers. The soundstage is narrower than high-end headsets, but for the price, it punches above its weight, especially for FPS and casual gaming. The lack of software for EQ customization limits tweaking, but the default audio profile is well-tuned for most genres. Durability is decent, though the headband may wear over time with heavy use. For gamers on a tight budget who prioritize comfort, clear sound, and a reliable mic over flashy features, the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 is an unbeatable value, though those seeking wireless or advanced audio tuning may need to look elsewhere. Number 3. Razer BlackShark V2 Pro 2023. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro 2023 is a premium wireless headset tailored for esports enthusiasts and PC gamers, priced around $200, and it's a top contender in 2025. Its 50mm Triforce titanium drivers deliver a game-tuned audio profile with punchy bass and clear mids, ideal for hearing directional cues like footsteps or explosions in competitive titles. The detachable 10mm boom microphone is a highlight, offering near-broadcast quality voice clarity with an internal pop filter, earning praise for making voices sound better than in real life. The headset supports 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth, though it can't mix audio from both simultaneously, requiring manual switching. With up to 120 hours of battery life, it's among the longest-lasting wireless options, though it lacks wired connectivity. The lightweight 320-gram frame and microfiber mesh ear cups ensure comfort for long sessions, but the non-swiveling ear cups and fragile steel sliders limit portability. Razer's Synapse 3 software allows EQ customization and game-specific presets, though the default sound emphasizes low-end for immersive action. Compatible with PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and mobile devices, it's versatile but shines on PC. The lack of active noise cancellation and simultaneous multi-device audio mixing is a drawback compared to the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. Still, its stellar mic and crisp audio make it a favorite for competitive gamers and streamers. Some users find the build quality slightly underwhelming for the price, but its performance in FPS games and voice chat is unmatched. For those prioritizing mic quality and wireless reliability, the BlackShark V2 Pro is a top-tier choice, though it's less ideal for music or travel. Number 2. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is a premium powerhouse in 2025, priced around $350, and a favorite for gamers seeking versatility and top-tier features. Its 40mm neodymium drivers deliver rich, detailed audio with superb bass response and clarity, enhanced by active noise cancellation for immersive gaming in noisy environments. The hot-swappable battery system provides near-infinite battery life, with each battery lasting up to 44 hours and charging in under an hour via a dual battery dock, outshining competitors like the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Simultaneous 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connectivity allows mixing game audio with music or Discord, a feature few headsets match. The retractable Clearcast Gen 2 microphone offers solid voice clarity with AI-powered noise cancellation, though it's not as crisp as the Razer BlackShark V2 Pros. The plush leatherette ear cups and elastic headband ensure comfort for long sessions, though they can warm up in hot climates. Compatible with PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices, it's truly multi-platform. The Gamed AC Gen 2 enhances audio control with customizable EQ settings and a sleek interface. However, some users report occasional connectivity hiccups when switching devices. The headset's premium build and flexible mic integration make it ideal for both casual and competitive gamers, though its price may deter budget-conscious buyers. For those who value endless battery life, high-end audio, and multi-device flexibility, the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is a near-perfect choice, though audiophiles may prefer the Audeze Maxwell for raw sound fidelity. Number 1. Audeze Maxwell Wireless. The Audeze Maxwell Wireless tops the list as the best gaming headset of 2025, priced around $300, blending audiophile-grade sound with gaming versatility. Its 90mm planar magnetic drivers deliver unparalleled audio fidelity, with crystal-clear highs, rich mids, and deep bass, making it ideal for both gaming and music. Supporting 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, with LDAC, LC3, and AAC codecs, and wired 3.5mm USB-C connections, it's compatible with PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. The 80-hour battery life is among the best, rivaling the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless, and its low-latency 2.4 GHz connection ensures lag-free gaming. The detachable boom microphone offers crisp voice capture, while built-in pinhole mics allow casual chatting without the boom, though they're less impressive. Weighing 490 grams, it's heavier than competitors, but the steel and aluminum frame with plush ear cups ensures durability and comfort for long sessions. The Audeze HQ app, available on PC, Mac, iOS, and Android, allows EQ customization, though the default sound is already exceptional. It lacks active noise cancellation, but its closed-back design provides decent passive isolation. The Maxwell shines in immersive single-player games and music listening, though its weight may deter some esports players. Compared to the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro, it sacrifices some features like hot-swappable batteries for superior sound quality. For gamers who prioritize audio excellence and multi-platform versatility over lightweight design or advanced noise cancellation, the Audeze Maxwell is the ultimate choice, delivering a premium experience that's hard to beat.